Hey there, fellow eyewear enthusiasts. If you've just placed an order for those stylish glasses from Zenni Optical and you're itching to know when they'll arrive, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple, step-by-step guide on how to track your Zenni order in 2025. Whether it's your first time or you're a repeat customer, this process is straightforward and hassle-free. Let's get started. First things first, grab your device and head over to the Zenni Optical website. You can do this by typing zennioptical.com into your browser or using their app if you have it installed. It's super convenient. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email and password to log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry, tracking might still be possible via email, but logging in makes it easier. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Here, you'll see a tab or link for Orders or Order History. Click on that, and you'll find a list of your recent purchases. Select the specific order you want to track. It should show the order number and status right away. Next, if a tracking number is available, Zenni will display it along with a link to the shipping carrier's website, like USPS, UPS, or FedEx. Just click that link, and you'll be redirected to a page where you can enter the tracking number if needed. Boom! You'll see real-time updates on your package's location, estimated delivery date, and any delays. One quick tip. If you can't find the tracking info, double-check your email inbox for any order confirmation or shipping updates from Zenni. Sometimes, they send direct links. Also, if there's a delay, reach out to Zenni's customer support through their website chat or email. They're usually pretty responsive. And there you have it. Tracking your Zenni order in 2025 is as easy as that. Now you can sit back, relax, and get excited for your new glasses. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech and shopping tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.